we are going to talk about the pipeline operator, which is used in KQL as a primary part of any query. And today we will learn about how putting the pipeline into right position can make your query a lot more efficient and faster. Now to do that, what we would do is start typing the table name we have today, and we will be using the usage table, as you can see. And just when I hit enter from the IntelliSense, it's also went on to a pipeline on line number 2. And the next thing we're going to do is put a where condition, and we mentioned time generated greater than its ago, and within ago we specify 24 hours. And just an additional condition on the same line, and data type, which basically signifies a table name. We will equate it with sign in logs. All right, and again we'll go to the next line, put another pipeline and put a count, just to make sure to get the count of the existing query, like how many results set does this returns. So we are going to run this query now, and once we do so, it just executes and the result will be here, as you can see. And on the right hand side bottom, if I hit on the query details, right, you should be able to see it took somewhere around 93 milliseconds. All right, and it's processing 1.2 days data, which is on an average for last 24 hours. Now what we're going to do is close this window, go to a new query window, and once the new query window appears, we will start typing the same usage where time generated ago 24 hour. And once that is done, what we will do this time is, this time we will put another pipeline and put another where condition on the data type, and put a double equal to, and we will write in sign in logs, and just like the previous query, we are going to get the count of the result set. Now once we run the query and the query executes successfully, we get the same result. And if we hit on the query details, we should see it as 62 milliseconds, right? Now if I look at behind the scene what happens, going back to the first query, all right, it basically filtered on 24 hours plus data type on a much more bigger data set where we don't have a subset of 24 hours. But in the second query, rather, what happened is, first we ran a simple where statement to filter out last 24 hours of data, and then the next filter is applied on only within 24 hours of data, which became much more efficient compared to putting the AND condition like the previous query. So that's where you can see how important it is to put the right pipeline and right condition in place.